Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your girl Crystal and we in the kitchen, so you already know that means it's time for another cooking video. So step one, like always, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm about to jump right into this video. There's my baby in the background, y'all. He cute. So today I'm going to be making this frozen solid whole chicken in my handy dandy Instant Pot. Now, step one, you're going to get some type of liquid. I have chicken broth, but you could use water. And you're going to pour about half of a cup of your chicken broth into your Instant Pot. And then, this is going to be so simple, y'all. You're going to take your frozen chicken, so frozen, and you're going to put it in the Instant Pot. Then you're going to get your seasonings. Right here I have some salt and garlic powder. I have some, what is this? Some poultry seasoning, some pepper, and some paprika. I have some Tony Saccharies. I have some Badaya all-purpose seasoning. And lastly, I have some Miss Dash table blend and some onion powder. Then I'm gonna get a spoon. I'll make sure my seasonings is like spread all out over my chicken. Nice and good. Like that. After that, you're going to put your top on. You're going to close it. You're going to set it to sealing. You're going to push pressure cooker. You're going to put it on high pressure. And you're going to cook this for 60 minutes. Now it is going to take a little bit of time for your pressure cooker to get to full pressure for it to start cooking, and so just be patient with that. But once it gets to pressure, it's going to start cooking your chicken, and in an hour we're going to be back and it's going to be done. It's going to be just like that. Okay everyone, so it's been an hour and I let my Instant Pot naturally release the pressure, so do not do the quick release, do the naturally release. This is looking pretty, y'all. Let me let you get a close up. It's looking pretty. Oh, it's gonna fall off the bowl, you guys. Oh. Yes, it's so good. It's so amazing. We have to do a temperature check. So we're gonna stick this right down in here. And we're wanting to make sure it's at 165. I'm not gonna lie, when I did my pressure release, I let it stay in a little longer because I'm making some stuffing. So I was doing that. But as you can see, you're able to get this chicken right to the temperature that you need it to be at. Safe for eating, 165 degrees. If you come home and you got a frozen chicken, solid. Y'all saw my joint was frozen solid. You can go ahead, you can put it in the Instant Pot, and an hour later, you'll have you a whole chicken to eat. Alright? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and get down with Team Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. Until next time.